Good morning guys, it's me Binongkiri and you are watching on my YouTube channel that is Binongkiri Explorer Vlog. So guys, hope you are having an amazing day. और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आप सब स्वस्थ होंगे और तंदुरुस्त होंगे जैसे कि मेरे तरह. So guys, today I will going to unbox K8 wireless micro mic which I have ordered from Flipkart. So I will going to unbox this, and this wireless micro mic support in any device, likewise in any smartphone, iPhone, whereas in laptop. It's a very lightweight guys, and it support in any device. So this is the charging cable. I got this mic and this. This is for iPhone user. So this is the manual. You will get all the instruction. It's all given here. So this I will keep it aside, and I will going to show you this one. This is the cable, and this is the mic. This is the clip, so that you can put it on your shoulder like this. It's very lightweight guys, see, and it's very affordable. I will give you the review. So guys, अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ कि इस माइक के साउंड क्वालिटी कैसी है. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अभी जो मैं ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ वो भी इस माइक से, जो कि वायरलेस माइक्रो माइक है. तो ठीक है दोस्तों, आप लोग कमेंट्स करके बताइएगा कि इसकी साउंड क्वालिटी कैसी है. I'll be waiting for that. It's a very big thank you to all guys for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do not forget to share and subscribe. And it's a request to all the viewers that if you like my video, please do not forget to write on the comment section given below so that I can bring you more videos and update. So from now, stay safe, be happy, take care, and love you all. Bye bye.